Welcome to our exploration of the evolution of passive income transformed significantly over time. We will take a journey through the various stages of its development, from conventional investment approaches to the state-of-the-art online income sources. Intriguingly, there has never been a more exciting time to be financially empowered. Our expedition begins thousands of years ago with the inception of passive income. Initially startups with trading and bartering, these merchants strategically harness the principles of supply and demand. Their ongoing profits were obtained without constant personal effort. Their businesses developed, their profits soared, and the concept of passive income was born. Fast forward to the 17th century and we stumble upon joint stock companies. The East India Company and similar endeavors allowed investors to pool their resources and divide the risk. Their shares provided shareholders with dividends, a pattern that has persisted ever since. Stock movements and dividends equaled passive income. Capitalism reached its zenith in the 19th and 20th centuries. The Industrial Revolution enabled massive factories and corporations to yield previously unimagined cash flows. Blue-chip companies shelled out dividends like clockwork. Investors nurtured their portfolios, lived off their dividends, and the world quietly buzzed with the rise of a new aristocracy, the dividend aristocrats. The late 20th century bore witness to the advent of real estate income. The upsurge in the urban populace resulted in a corresponding surge in property values. The novel wave of real estate investment trusts offered investors a way to own and earn income from income-producing properties. The late 20th and early 21st centuries introduced us to bonds, annuities, and certificates of deposit. These financial instruments, though varying in risk and return, shared a common allure, a prescribed payback, a steady passive income stream. The onset of the digital age brought along a unique set of passive income channels. Affiliate marketing, the sales strategy that liberation digital capitalism, rewarded marketers' results by sharing part of a product's revenue. Websites displaying products or services links could be utilized to generate income, giving rise to the concept of content-driven income. Similarly, ebooks and digital courses creators benefit from passive income. Another virtual avenue for passive income came from the rise of online advertising. Websites and blogs displaying ads, right from the quiet Google AdSense to the lucrative sponsored product mentions, can result in considerable income. More ominous is the form of passive income generated from mobile apps. Investors sitting thousands of miles away can profit from a successful apps and app purchases and ad revenue. Multimedia streaming platforms yield significant passive income. Once popular videos are monetized, every playback fetches a few dollars. Lives are sustained from viral videos. Indeed, the individual's earnings from YouTube can rival or sometimes surpass those from traditional medium films. Online monetary transactions, commonly known as crypto payments, have evolved to become another form of passive income. Impressively, owning digital tokens can lead to capital gain profits based on their market price. Effectively, simply owning a stake in the right cryptocurrency at the right time can spell out significant supplementary income. Contemporary developments like dropshipping must also be mentioned. Merchants today can promote others' products and transfer customer orders directly to the supplier. In this model, the merchant never sees or helps generate the product, thus, their income is passive. Making money while surfing the internet, reading your emails, or participating in online surveys is indeed possible. Advertising companies pay small amounts for your seemingly passive actions, which, aggregated, can form a fair source of supplementary income. Generating royalty from images, music tracks, and vector graphics finds a hallowed place on the contemporary income stream list. Artists, musicians, and graphic designers can find a sustainable source of passive income from their artwork or content. Crowdfunding has seen an emergent use in generating passive income. By investing in upcoming business ideas or community projects, one stands to earn a part of the profit these endeavors churn out. It is a symbiotic relationship where your money works for you and the project. No exploration of contemporary passive income is complete without mentioning the robotic process automation or chatbot income. By developing and leasing out bots for diverse tasks, from appointment scheduling to customer support, one can establish themselves in the vanguard of technological passive income. Car rental services like Uber and Lyft have transformed into a form of passive income. By leasing out space in their own vehicles for a few hours each day, operators can cultivate an insignificant source of secondary income. The existing climate has also seen the advent of shared room and house letting. Platforms like Airbnb have reinvented the tourist and visitor experience while simultaneously redefining the setup of bygone bed and breakfasts. Hosts can now earn from their often vacant homes as a continuous stream of income. The once penurious switch in your financial status has, undoubtedly, become a symbol of modernity and advancement. Enlarging the conventional rental income to include storage unit rentals ensured that no underused space went without yielding some profit. Many individuals capitalize on their seldom used garages or independent sheds to provide storage facilities. This breakaway from the usual rental norms, offering income from a non-residential area, has marked quite a transformation. Further blending technology and daily activities, the rise of renewable energy usage provides new means of passive income. Photovoltaic solar panels installed on the rooftop of residential and commercial establishments efficiently convert solar energy into electrical power. What's more, the additional power these establishments produce can be transmitted back to the grid, allowing the owners to earn through net metering. Interestingly enough, blogging as a personal diary or opinion platform has leapt to become a significant source of passive income. If a blog can attract a substantial following, advertisers can be lured in to buy advertising space. The more traffic a blog draws, the more enticing it becomes to the advertising industry. E-commerce has mushroomed not just as a switch to the traditional shopping. E-commerce website owners, by becoming the mediators between product suppliers and consumers, can make a percentage of the product's cost. The right website, specially congruent with a particular demographic, can rake an impressive passive income. The explorers in 3D printing have identified an often overlooked income source. By hosting 3D models on platforms, designers can enable buyers to flawlessly print those models at their end. For every completed transaction, these digital coders can earn a tidy sum. The domain name game does not go unforgotten. By purchasing and holding onto in-demand domain names, individuals can rake in huge profits when demand for a particular site name spikes. It's a bit like buying real estate. Location, or in this case the domain name, is everything. Online lending, offering loans through a peer-to-peer lending platform, is a popular investment alternative that accrues substantial income. It is a method beneficial to borrowers with moderate credit and for investors seeking higher returns on their investments. Still continuing in this time frame, the idea of vending machines as a passive income source stands strong. Automated machines vending snacks, drinks, or even household products operate with minimal supervision and can yield a pretty robust profit, especially in high-traffic areas. Another development we have seen is shared ownership of boats, cars, and aircraft. It permits people to make their high-end assets contribute to the income while they are not being used personally. It's an interesting addition to the sharing economy, allowing the owners to earn from their rarely used assets. A fascinating addition to the digital spectrum is selling valuable data insights. Companies generate massive data. Those who can transform these information mountains into marketable insights can gainfully sell their reports to businesses eager to understand their customer base. Equipment leasing has been an underdog for quite a long time. Equipment required by industries and big corporations can be leased by the equipment owners. This translates to an ongoing rental income without the headache of maintaining a running production. Finally, nuts and bolts haven't gone out of style. Rental property remains one of the timeless sources of passive income. Property owners can stack cash by providing tenants with rental services. Needless to say, choosing the right property, performing diligent research, verifying reliable tenants, and being prudent with rental rates and taxes are crucial in this classic income stream. To consolidate, the evolution of passive income, from investments to online earnings, has revolutionized individual capacity for financial freedom. The internet and digital media have democratized entrepreneurship, allowing interested individuals with a stable internet connection to benefit from varying passive income opportunities. With this ubiquitous turn towards digital income, will there be businesses and industries that will not have a passive income possibility? That remains to be seen. What is clear is that as long as there exists a need, a demand, or a problem yearning to be solved, there will exist an opportunity for passive income. As we conclude our journey, we circle back to the root of the concept of passive income, financial empowerment, and with it, greater quality of life. Whether it is a byproduct of an investment, a result of providing solutions and opportunities in the digital or real world, or a culmination of various efforts, the impact passive income can have is tremendous.